Hello everyone, my name is Héctor Prieto, Assistant Director for Inspectional Services at the City of Chelsea. We're excited to introduce our new online permitting system called OpenGov. Applying for permits and licenses is now easier, faster, and more convenient. Through this new system, residents, contractors, and business owners can apply online, pay fees, track applications, and schedule inspections all in one place, step by step. Over the years, we've seen a big increase in the number of applications we receive, and this new portal helps us keep up with the demand while improving service to our community. Our goal is to make the process more efficient and accessible for everyone. To get started, you would have to go to the City of Chelsea main webpage. If you scroll down, you'll go to Online Services, Permits and Licenses. Click on that, and it'll take you to Building Inspectional Services Permits. Click on that. And now you'll see register login to our permit management system, which is OpenGov. Once you get to this main page, you can log in or create an account. And then you'll see the departments here. So this is Inspectional Services Department. That's where you're gonna click to select all of our permit types. As you scroll down, you'll see different types of permits that we have available. These are the applications. For the sake of this demo, we're gonna click on the building permit, which is for residential and commercial. Once you get to this page, just click on Apply Online to start the application. On the first step, your name, address, and phone number. Step 2, you're gonna search for the address. We'll type 500 Broadway for City Hall. The owner's information pops up automatically, so you can just hit next after you confirm the information. Step 3 is applicant type. For the sake of this test, we're gonna select owner doing work. Question pops up, will you reside at the property where the work is being performed? Could either be yes or no if you don't live on the property. Step 4 is property type. First drop-down question is occupancy type. This particular property is commercial. Now it's asking me what type of commercial establishment is this, so this is actually business and not residential. That would apply if it's like a 3-family. It's still considered commercial, but it's also residential. This is rental property. I'm gonna select no, and then hit next. Step 5 is permit info. So permit 4, let's just call this a alteration, repair, renovation. Probably the most common permit type. I'm gonna say this is exterior, and we'll just say it's a roof job. Estimated project cost, let's just put 25,000. Work description, replace roof. We'll keep it vague. Dumpster, now if you do have a dumpster on site, it's gonna be linked to a separate dumpster permit application. So if you will have a dumpster on site, whether it's on your property or on the street, you still have to select if you will have a dumpster or not. So we will have a dumpster on site for this job. Will we occupy the street or sidewalk? No, because we will have it in our parking lot. This is a construction renovation over 25,000 square feet. This particular case, it's not. Will any tree, including its roots, be removed or damaged? Nothing's on the roof. Step 7 is construction type. This is actually not required, it's just optional. Use groups, same thing, it's not required, it's just optional. But just so you can see, it's actually the type of use group this particular building is, which is a business establishment for offices. But you don't have to select this. Step 9, workers' compensation insurance affidavit. So we will have employees working here, but you actually have to select if you are the contractor with employees or if you're doing the work yourself. Then you sign your digital signature here. Step 10 is permit authorization. It's just you as the applicant authorizing the submission of this permit application. I am the authorized agent. If you're the owner, you select owner. Authorized agent will apply to contractor, subcontractor, whoever is actually submitting the application, and authorized by the owner to submit the application. Then today's date. Step 11 is attachments. This is where you'll upload a copy of your license, contract, and other forms that are required. Once your documents have been uploaded, you can proceed to the next step. Here's the final step, which is just confirmation of your information. Any changes you need to make, you can actually Select edit and make those changes. Once everything looks good, we can now confirm and submit the application. Once you submit the building permit application, you're gonna see your steps over here on the left. And this is the way we track our review process, and it helps the public also understand the review process. You can send messages to the building inspector or inspectional services directly. You can view your submission, your attachments, and you can upload any other attachments as well. If you want to review your applications, you can select My Account. You'll get put on your dashboard, and then you'll see all your messages, your profile, applications that you have submitted, any pending projects, your permits and documents, the payments you made, and any inspections that you can request or have been completed. If you click on applications, you can track the status of any recently submitted applications, and it brings us to the application's main page, and we could see the steps it's currently under.